In this video, I will show you how to disable custom dictionary on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. The custom dictionary uses your typing history and handwriting patterns to create a customized dictionary. Now, to go ahead and turn this off, what you're going to want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then open up your settings. In your settings, what you need to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. And in privacy and security, you want to come down to the Windows permission section and click inking and typing personalization. Then what you need to do in here, if you come up to the top, you can see the dictionary here. To turn this off, just simply go ahead and turn the switch off here. And that's going to go ahead and disable your custom dictionary in Windows 11. So that is how to disable custom dictionary on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.